In this video, we will discuss about GATE 2021 question on block diagram. The question is the block diagram of a feedback control system is shown in the figure. This is the block diagram given, and you are asked to calculate the transfer function y of s by x of s of the system, where y of s is the Laplace transform of an output and x of s is the input. So, in order to get the expression for the transfer function, we can use a signal flow graph method here. So this is the block diagram given. As I told, x of s is a input, and I have identified summing points. So here there are two summing points. So this is the first summing point that I have denoted as S1, and there is one more summing point that I have denoted as S2. These are the nodes. Similarly, in the given block diagram, identify the takeoff points also. So here there is only one takeoff point that I have written it as a T1. So let us write all the nodes that are identified, that is input, output, and these two summing points as well as the takeoff point. So I have written here x of s. S1 is the first summing point. There is only one takeoff point that I have written as T1, and there is a one more summing point, that is S2. So S2 is written here, and there is an output y of s. Now from x of s to S1, the gain is 1. Gain is 1. So that is why I have written gain as 1 here. From S1 to T1, if you see, between S1 and T1, the gain is nothing but here G1. So I have written the gain as G1, and direction of the flow of the signal is from S1 to T1. Similarly, from T1 to S2, the gain, the branch gain is nothing but here 1, because as you have seen here, between S1 and T1, there is a block G1, but here there is no block. So here between T1 and S2 there is a branch gain 1. Similarly, between S2 and y of s, the branch gain is nothing but 1. And now this takeoff point T1 is nothing but a feedback that is connected to S1, and the sign here is negative. This is very important. So I will connect T1 to S1, and the gain is nothing but here H. So because of this minus sign, I will write the gain from T1 to S1 as minus H. So that is written here, minus H. From T1 to S1, the signal is flowing from T1 to S1, and the branch gain is nothing but here minus H. Similarly, there is a block G2 between S1 and S2, and the flow of the signal is from S1 to S2. So that is why here you can see the gain is written as G2, and the signal is traveling from S1 to S2. So this is how I have drawn the signal flow graph for the given block diagram. Now, using the Mason's gain formula, this is the formula. This formula can be used to find the transfer function. The formula is summation k is equal to 1 to n p suffix k into delta suffix k divided by delta, where capital N is the number of the forward paths. So let us find the forward paths here. So forward path means you need to find out the path from an input node, that is x of s, to the output node y of s. So here if we see from x of s to y of s, one path is like from x of s to s1, s1 to t1, t1 to s2, and s2 to y of s. So there is one forward path with a gain. You need to multiply all these gain, 1 into g1 into 1 into 1. So that is why I have written here the gain of the first forward path as the gain of the first forward path here is G1. Similarly, there is one more forward path, that is from X of S to S1, the gain is 1. From S1 to S2, the gain is G2, and from S2 to Y of S, the gain is 1. So if you multiply all these things, for the path 2, the gain will be equal to G2. And now the step is you need to identify the number of the loops in the signal flow graph. If we can see, there is only one loop, that is from S1 to T1, T1 to S1, where the gain is nothing but it is G1 into minus H. So the gain of this loop is minus G1 into H. So delta 1 is with respect to P1, that is 1 here, and similarly delta 2 is 1. Now delta is nothing but here, this delta is nothing but it is equal to, and here there are no non-touching loops, because for this one there is only one loop, so there is no question of non-touching loops. I can directly write delta as 1 minus L1 here. Okay, so just substitute the value of L1. So I have written here delta is 1 plus G1 into H, because L1 is minus G1 into H. So here, as there are two forward paths, the formula of transfer function will become P1 into delta 1 plus P2 into delta 2 divided by delta. Our P1 here is, P1 is G1 and P2 is G2, as the value of delta 1 and delta 2 are 1. So here the expression will become G1 plus G2 divided by 1 plus G1 into H. So the answer for this question is, this is the correct answer, that is option B, G1 plus G2 divided by 1 plus G1 into H. So this is the easy method where you can get the answer for this particular question if you know how to draw the signal flow graph for this block diagram. You can solve this using the block diagram reduction technique also. Thank you.